Be talking about the dipole moment and the introduction of that. First of all, dipole means di means two, pole means charges, and as you know, moment means change in place. Now, the definition should be clear in your mind that when two charges change in place, that's called dipole moment. It's a Latin word, and dipole moment is the product of the magnitude of the charges as written in the pole and the distance between the center of the positive and negative charge change in place. So, dipole moment is the moment by which a charge is at the distance from positive terminal to the negative terminal. Dipole moment is a vector quantity. It is represented by mu, that is also known as mu. Mu is equal to distance into charges. That means the magnitude of the distance is multiplied, the magnitude of the charges is multiplied by the distance. And its best example should be the NaCl, because NaCl has the highest dipole moment because of its ionic bond. As you know, the more the charges, the more the distance, the more the dipole moment. So, just suppose that this is a NaCl. To identify the dipole moment, we will be seeing that how the NaCl is separated. Now, we know that the Na is the positive and Cl is the negative. Now, here the Na is less electronegative while the Cl is more electronegative. So, the dipole moment will be from the less to the more. So, it will be shown like this, the cross on the arrow, because it's a sample of this. To show the dipole moment, we will be seeing like this. And the arrow shows us the more electronegative. While here the distance is shown by this simple arrow, and we know that it is of the positive charge and it is of the negative charge. So, will be known that when the charges increases, polarization increases. For detailed video of polarization, you can check the video in my description. Solubility increases because we know that when charges increases, ion increases, so it is more soluble. Electronegativity increases because the movement is from less electronegative to more electronegative, so electron movement increases. Dipole moment is also increases because these all are the factors of the dipole moment. Bond length decreases. Why? Because the more the distance, the less the dipole moment. The more the dipole moment, the less the bond length. So, it is clear to you all that these are all factors are related to the dipole, while this is the thing which defines us about the distance. And that's all about today's lecture.